Trigonometric ratios of standard angle, third exercise 23C. Question number 7 is there, correct?
23C.
Okay, 23C and question number 7, correct?
Yes, sir.
So, question is if 2 cos A, 2 cos 2A is equal to root 3 and A is acute and A is acute. Find first A, second sin 3A and third one sin square 75 degree minus A plus cos square 45 plus A. Okay, so the value is given that 2 cos 2A is equal to root 3. ठीक है? So first whatever these two multiply इसको shift करो यहाँ पे. So cos 2A is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Now in cos, which value is of root 3?
Cos 30.
Yes, correct. Cos 2A is equal to cos 30 degree. Let me check one and okay. Now cos cancel, 2A is equal to 30 degree and A is equal to 30 divided by 2. So these two ones are 215. So therefore A is equal to 15 degree. Value of A is 15. First one we solved. Second part is we have to find sin 3A. Next one is sin 3A. Sin 3A is equal to sin 3. A is of 15. So sin 3 into 15 is become sin 45 degree. And value of sin 45?
1 upon 2. 1 upon root 2.
Yes, 1 upon 2. Correct. Now third part is sin square 75 minus A plus cos square 45 plus A. So we have to convert either sin into cos or cos into sin. Oh, sorry, we have value of A. Just write sin square 75 minus 15 plus cos square 45 minus plus 15. Sin square is become 90 degree and this cos square becomes 60 degree. So sin 90 become 1 and cos 60 is half, correct? So these become denominator 1. So 2 1 are 2. LCM क्या 1 upon 2. So your answer is 3 by 2. Sum solved. One mistake I done here. This one is of 60. Cos minus sin है. Plus नहीं था मैंने plus कर दिया. 15. This becomes 60 degree. So sin square 60. That one is a
Root 3 upon 2. 3 upon
3 by 2 and the whole bracket square. And here 1 by 2.
half. 1 upon 2.
This root 3 ka square.
3 upon 4 plus 1. 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4.
Yes. This become root 3 ka square 3 upon 4 plus 1 by 4. This 3 plus 1 by 4. This become 4 by 4.
1.
That become 1. 1. So solve. Question number 13. If 4 cos square x is equal to 3, and x is an acute angle, find first x, second cos square x plus cot square x, third cos 3x, and the fourth sin 2x. Again same, first 4 cos square x is equal to 3, this is given. So this 4 is multiplied with cos, so shift 4 that side. Cos square x is equal to 3 by 4. Take the square root. Cos x is equal to under root 3 divided by 2. And in cos 30 now. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 now.
Yes, sir.
So cos cancel, therefore x is equal to 30 degree. We got the first one, that is that is x. Second one, cos square x plus cot square x. Cos square means cos square 30 degree plus cot square 30 degree. Cos 30 क्या होता है? Root 3 by 2. And cot 30
Root 3.
so root 3 by 2 means this is 3 by 4 and this is 3. So we have to do LCM. 3, these both we have to multiply by 4. 3 plus 4, 3 is 12 upon 4. So this becomes 15 divided by 4. Or you can convert it to mixed fraction also. 4 3 is 12.
3 upon.
Yeah. And the next one is cos 3x. Cos 3x equal to cos 3. Value of x, क्या ये x की वैल्यू 30 है, 30. Cos 90 degree. Cos 90 is equal to 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
And the last one is sin 2x. Again, we have sin as it is, value of 2 and 30. This one is 30. So sin 60 degree. Sin 60 is
Root 3 upon 2.